Ever since I was little, I liked building with Legos. I liked going out, building anything in the backyard.
I hope to design and research new products that would go out into the field.
With the constantly evolving technology, I want to be part of making it universal, simplifying systems to make a difference.
The world's changed with the digital tools. It's a different program. The tools have been there for a while, but now with Industry 4.0, the Industrial Internet of Things, connectivity, the data that the tools need are readily available. Companies are jumping all over the students with the tools. Very early on in 2011, we joined the Siemens Academic Partnership. It brought in the various tools. We integrated those into several classes. Feedback was immediate. We're hearing from companies saying, your students have heard of these tools.
I actually teach the mechanical drafting side of things, and we use the Solid Edge software. Joining up with Siemens, we have the higher end PLCs, which we work all the way up through, from basic controls right up to the HMIs.
We work with TIA Portal, Siemens HMIs, PLCs. It's easy to understand. When we use TIA Portal, we're able to contact people from Siemens and get assistance when we need it.
It's critical to entry-level engineering success. A lot of my classes were using Siemens tools already. So graduating from OU and having that experience and having Siemens experience, I'm coming into the company already knowing how the software works because I had to take it at school.
It's great for schools, but at the same time, it's great for companies like Siemens. Our students know the software, hardware, they can find jobs, both at Siemens and other companies that use Siemens products.
The aging generation that is now retiring needs to be replaced. This is the new generation. They bring a new spin to different things. They have a lot better grip on technology, and hopefully we can bring everybody into the modern world that way.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.